So the point of this video is my vehicle started stalling. Just got back from Millwoods Automotive in Edmonton here, and they told me that my catalytic converter is clogged or it's faulty and it's knocking off my sensor or something. So I'm going to be going down to Alberta Customs, and then we are going to install a new muffler. I just picked one up at a pawn shop for $15, so let's see what happens there. Okay. So today we are going to be changing the muffler on the truck. We bought ourselves a muffler at a pawn shop, believe it or not. It's a Thrush muffler, and the muffler was only 15 bucks. To install the muffler is going to cost another $90. So underneath 150 bucks, we can get the whole damn thing done. If you were to take it to anybody else other than Action Auto Custom Exhaust in Edmonton here, these guys, it would be a little bit more, but I know the guy, and he's basically giving me a deal. Usually an installation like this costs you about $350 to maybe $450. So let's check how that sounds. So we had a change in plans. We had we're going for the catback dual exhaust with with Thrush muffler that was 15 bucks, but we're gonna throw that away because we needed 18 inches. We need to drop it down a bit because we want the pipes to go at the side beside the tires actually. So we are actually doing true dual exhaust with tips on the side instead. So no muffler, straight pipes. Anywho, I'll let you know how that sounds in a bit here. That looks really good in there, eh?
Yeah. Hanger here, hanger on that side, okay?
Perfect. I like it. There we go. Nice. Custom mufflers, Alberta, Edmonton, Alberta. So this is how it looks after it's done. A little nasty bitch, sounds loud.